I've got my copy of trial version. Didn't mean to install a trial version. Oh well, it doesn't matter. There's a lot of what oftentimes happens at the forums. People aren't very specific in terms of what they precisely want, and so commonly I just skip it because it's too much trouble. But anyway, I thought I'd take a stab at it today. I'm going to take let's see, I tried in architectural. I have to do it one wall at a time. I'm going to go over here to the roof tab. Wow, it's taking a long time. There we go. Go to the roof, tell it to have a full gable over that wall, and it does. And look over here to the roof, full gable. Okay. Now, inside here, I'm going to turn the ceiling off, flat ceiling off. Okay. So what that gives me is a vaulted ceiling along this line here with it vaulting up here and here. I'll show you. Camera tool. Yeah, we should be able to get a view of it along this the axis of the ridge. Yeah, I thought I installed my regular version. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You get the idea. Now I have a vaulted ceiling. Now your question was to split this space into, oh, okay. I don't know why I must have been oh, I used the floor camera. That's what it was. That's the reason the wall was missing. Yeah, there we go. Vaulted ceiling. I think what you mean is that have two vaulted ceilings. And so what I'm going to do is split the space in half with an invisible wall, room divider wall. Left click. Now I've got two spaces. And each should have no ceiling. Okay. Now I'm going to go over to the build menu, roof. I was hoping there was ceiling planes there, but I guess architecture doesn't have them. Okay. So we'll have to improvise. I'm going to go over to the cabinet tools, soffit. I'm going to put a soffit right there. You can see the little delta there. It's pointing that direction. I want it to point this way. Actually, I think I'll flip it around. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to open that soffit object, and we'll make that, instead of several inches tall, I'm just going to make it 1 inch tall. Now I'm going to make it a slope soffit and then place under roof. Let's take a look at, I'm going to stretch this out so that it fills the space. How can I best show that to you? I think maybe a dollhouse view might be best. Yeah, okay, so that's what I just drew. There's a soffit. Now I'm just going to take that soffit and make it half the space. I'm going to copy it and take the copy and flip it over to here to the center line. So that's what I have now. So there's one vaulted ceiling. I'm going to take this soffit and this soffit, copy it over to here. And now I have two vaulted ceilings. Almost. I mean, I need to excuse me, connect these soffits. And move that one a little bit and move this one a little bit. Same thing with these two over here. I could probably do this more exact, but I'm just doing this for free, so you're getting a freebie. Okay, so there's your double vaulted ceiling. And there's no roofs. I mean, yeah, I built a roof earlier, but you get the idea. So let's see, camera. I want to go to camera, full camera this time. We'll go right down the mid-axis of those two vaults. And there's your two vaults. Okay, that's one way to do it in architectural. I had to do it with soffits because architectural, unlike pro, doesn't have ceiling planes, but you can emulate ceiling planes using just soffits. And remind you, I'll do a full overview, and you see that this does have a roof over the entire thing. Okay. So that's what I think you were asking about. I hope it was. If it wasn't, sorry. Try again.